Hi, my name's Sheys. Some of you may remember me, and I remember some of you are new. I'm thinking back, Mike asked me to say a few things about my idea of how to teach and how people learn. Thinking back to my college experience. When I graduated from college, I was undergrad chemistry. I thought biochemistry is the way I want to go because I want to know how things work at the molecular level. And biochemistry at that point was time to go. So I did that. And when I was teaching here, I taught pharmacology and a couple of other things, but pharmacology, it was primarily nursing students and pre-med. And I wanted them to understand how things worked at the molecular level because that's where my head was at. And I just wanted to impart that knowledge to them, not memorizing about drugs and side effects and generic names and brand names, things like that, but how the drug actually works. And importantly, how drugs interact, why you wouldn't give these two drugs at the same time, or why if you want to add drug B to drug A, you might decrease the dose of drug A before you give B because they have similar effects, or now you're more concerned about similar side effects, so you might not administer these two drugs together. So I wanted to give the students the ability to think how things work. I also, in that pharmacology course, had them do drug files. They had to pick 5 drugs and get the package insert on those drugs and just write about how the drugs work, the mechanism of action, and side effects and whatnot of those drugs. And I just wanted them to have that experience of how to use the literature to look up drugs that they may be using to treat patients in the future. Quite frequently, the nursing students particularly would say to me, now I understand what the nursing faculty is teaching me about this drug because I learned in pharmacology how the drug works and what's going on at the molecular level.